So hello again, this is a very short video. So I have a bunch of lithium polymer batteries over here, like around 8.6 amps hour. Okay, what I was trying to do is to check if this little antimatter Charsoon it's capable, or it's strong enough to charge with 10 amps, because it's related to 10 amps. And look over there, we have 10 amps charging. It's just a little warm. The good point is that I have a ruined IMAX over here, and I'm using the power supply from inside there, because there is no more IMAX, there is just the power supply. So I'm really happy that the power supply can deliver 10 amps for this one to charge this lithium polymer batteries. Why I'm doing this? Because this will be my next solar experiment. I'm waiting for a charger, and I want to check all these batteries because I didn't use them for a long time. And this is something else. It's a voltage and watt meter, and this is very useful. I can have a clear idea about the wattage and voltage and so on. Now it's connected. Wrong way. It's supposed to be the other way. Okay, so now I connected the right way, and look over there, we have the same amps, and that one is 10.11. Yeah, it's a little bit of difference, but anyway, the voltage is different too, but it doesn't really matter because it's the charger is going up and down, so it's not exactly a fixed amp. Then I can have another statistic, I may say, about charging the currents and so on. And as you may see, we are charging with 125 watts an hour, and that's absolutely okay. Anyway, I'm really glad about this charger. It's working like a charm. And by the way, I even have the balancing here. So these are the cell voltages, all of these cell voltages, I may say. So then I can have a really nice balancing here. So the end voltage will be 12.6, and I have some safety time and some other stuff. The temperature inside is 35 degrees, so it's pretty reasonable. So now we have the input power 8.7 amps, but because this one have a buck converter, it's going to 10 amps. Shortly, it's a really nice machine. Okay, now I'm discharging all these batteries, and I have a setting over here like 5 amps. Let's see. Okay, so we have to go like this, plus to plus. I may say this is a regular discharging, and the charger is not going further than 1.3 amps, even if it's set for 5. Maybe it's too many cables, or maybe that's a kind of limit, but anyway, this is the best it can do. But we have another function here, and this is Discharge Plus. Now it's set it to 5 amps. There is a formula in the manual about having the extra load. So as you may see there, I have like a 4 ohms in the plus circuit. So this is this is a kind of extra load or extra resistance, and we have this Discharge Plus over here, and let's see what's happening. I think the resistance should be smaller, maybe like 2.8 ohms or something. Anyway, it had to be calculated, if I may say that, in function of voltages and currents and stuff like this. But look there, we're already discharging with 4.4 amps, and it's growing.
And here is the way it should be done. You see, this resistance, this external resistance, is in series with the battery pack, so it's going to the plus circuit, I may say. So it's very simple to do it, and it's very useful because it can have really big currents, discharging currents, without damaging or supra stressing the charger. You may see over there, there are a few formulas to find the right resistance value. And in this example we have a 20 volts and we want to discharge it at 7 amps. So it's 20 volts divided by 7, that gives 2.85 ohms. And then the power of the resistance will be like 20 times 7, 140 watts. In my case, we had like 12 volts divided by 5 amps, so that gives around 2.2 ohms, and the power of the resistance will be like 60 watts.
Yeah, that's a little bit of difference between my wattmeter and this one over here on the, and I can feel this additional resistance getting warm. It's getting hot, in fact. But anyway, so this Discharging Plus, it's working. So this is a really nice trick, because you can do discharging fast and with big currents, I may say. Okay, thank you for now, and I'll be back with some new projects and information as soon as I have the solar lithium charger. Thank you for now. Don't forget to have fun. Please subscribe. Bye bye.